Hello friends, here Photoshop 3D text effect. Total file is 9 PSD in high definition. Okay, you can edit in Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app by now for lifetime. All password of my website here in this app and daily update when I upload any video. Okay, here is my Facebook page and here is new thing ASCII shopping hub. First you need subscription for graphic resources. Everything is premium, video templates and softwares, WordPress theme, WordPress plugin, PHP script. Here is Android skill code and app, games, UI design, Android. Okay, you can chat with AI, I mean artificial intelligence. Okay, here is preview. First you need font. Wow, shine. Okay, I know you can edit in Photoshop. Wait, just double click and put your text. You need this font, lemon milk. Replace Sheri with an impact font. Control S for saving. Updating object, please wait, because these files are high definition, then they need time. Okay, you see my name is here. Now close it and metal glossy shine red, 128 MB. Same thing here. Effect, background, and here you can write anything. First you need this font, Python 1 regular. Download from web and make anything. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe my this channel Sheri Official and get subscription of ASCII shopping hub. Here is my password application. Take care, Allah Hafiz.